Exercise 1.5, question number 4. 1. If f of x is equal to x square minus 1, g of x is equal to x minus 2, find a if g of f of a is equal to 1. 2. Find k if f of k is equal to 2k minus 1 and f of k is equal to 5. Solution for first one. First one, g of f of a is equal to 1 is given. First find g of f. G of f is equal to g is g. Instead of we can put a bracket. Then write f. F means f of x. Then substitute the value of f of x. In first one, f of x is x square minus 1. This value can be substituted here instead of f of x. X square minus 1. Here g is g. Now this is nothing but g of x square minus 1. G of x square minus 1 means just substitute instead of x square minus 1 in g of x. Here g of x is x minus 2. Here we can substitute instead of x square minus 1. Therefore, we get x square minus 1 minus 2. This minus 2 can be written here. Then simplify. X square is x square. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Then write g of f of x is equal to x square minus 3. Here g of f is equal to x square minus 3 means g of f of x is equal to x square minus 3. Here g of f means g of f of x is equal to x square minus 3. In our question, g of f of a is given. Therefore, first find out g of f of a. Here just substitute x is equal to a. Here also we can substitute x is equal to a. Therefore, here x square becomes a square minus 3. Then take given equation. What is given? Given equation is g of f of a is equal to 1 is given in our question. Here g of f of a is equal to 1. That equation can be taken here. Given g of f of a is equal to 1. Here then substitute the value of g of f of a. What is g of f of a? A square minus 3. That value can be substituted here. Right side value 1. Then simplify. Here a square is equal to, take this minus 3 to right side, becomes plus 3. Here 1 is there. Then add 1 and 3. We get 4. This is a square. Then find out a. Take this square to right side, becomes square root. Square root of 4. Square root has two values, plus or minus. Plus and minus. Therefore here we can write plus or minus. Here root 4 is 2. Therefore a is equal to plus or minus 2. Now first one is over. Then second one. In second one, two equations are given. This is first one. This is second one. First find f of f. First find f of f. In second one, first find f of f is equal to, this f is f. Here of means bracket. Bracket can be put instead of this of. Then write this f. Here f is nothing but f of x. But here put x is equal to k. Since x is not given in second question. Therefore here in second question there is no x. In second question there is no x. Therefore instead of x here we can put a k. Therefore instead of f of x here we can write f of k. Then substitute the value of f of k. What's the value of f of k? In second one, f of k is nothing but 2k minus 1. That value can be substituted here. f of k is 2k minus 1. That value can be substituted here. Then find out f of 2k minus 1. f of 2k minus 1 means in f of x, substitute x is equal to 2k minus 1. Here there is no f of x. Instead of f of x here, f of k. Therefore instead of k we can write 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1. Here 2 into, instead of k we can write 2k minus 1. Therefore 2k minus 1 can be substituted here instead of this k. Therefore 2 into 2k minus 1. Then write this minus 1, this minus 1, this minus 1, this minus 1. Then simplify. 2 into 2k, 4k. Then 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then put this minus 1. Then simplify. 4k here, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Here, for more details, see the problem 1 in exercise 1.5. Then that is, this is nothing but f of f. This is f of f. Nothing but f of f of k is equal to 4k minus 3. 4k minus 3 means here f of f. F of f means f of k is equal to this value 4k minus 3. Then take given equation. Given in second question, f of k is equal to 5 is given. That equation can be substituted here. That equation can be taken here. F of k is equal to 5. Then substitute the value of f of k is nothing but 4k minus 3. That value can be written here. Then right side value 5. Then simplify. 4k is equal to, here 5 is there. Here minus 3 becomes plus 3. Then add 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Here 4k. 4k is equal to 8. Therefore k is equal to 8 by, here into 4 becomes by 4. When it goes right side. 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Therefore we get k is equal to